Okay, we're looking at a 2015 Dodge Charger SXT. It's got 57,000 miles on it. All right, it's pitch black in color. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it does have the lock unlock button here on the door handles. It is equipped with the sunroof. Okay, it's a Rally Edition. All right, it's got the deck lid spoiler here. Backup camera, dual exhaust. Does have the heated side mirrors on it as well. Nice big 20-inch alloys, really sharp looking car. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, you got the black on black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Does have the Beats by Dre, all right, audio. It's got the black with the dark graphite insert, cloth seats. It does have the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Okay, got your cup holders there. Got your power outlet in there. Auxiliary USB and SD card reader. Go ahead and show you the sunroof. Your sunroof there, passenger seat cloth. Alright, it is an automatic. Dual climate controls. Got your push button start. Gonna have your backup camera and display screen here, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Alright, does have the transmission paddles here. Steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 57,111 miles on it. All right, now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you your display screen here. Let me knock some of that glare off. That helped a little bit. Okay, there's your climate control screen. All right, does have navigation. Go ahead and view the map there. Okay, click your control button, heated seats. All right, and then back over here to radio. All right, and then we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. All right, and then one more thing I want to show you. It does have your universal remote here as well. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Carpet back here is in good shape. Got two USB ports right here. Back seat cloth looks good. Alright, it does have the center console here that pulls down. Got your cup holders there. Alright, let's go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look at the trunk space. Carpet back here looks good. Got you another speaker back here with the Beats by Dre. Spare wheel back there. All right, spare tire. Got another battery back here. Let's check out the wheels and tires. All right, got the 20-inch gray alloys, kind of that smoky gray, really sharp looking wheel there. Plenty of tread left on the tires. All right. Once again, it's a 2015 Dodge Charger SXT Rally Edition. All right, it's pitch black in color, 57,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.